T5 Helmet Bluetooth Headset Installation. Prepare the Velcro and Bluetooth headset. Attach two round Velcro fasteners to the notches on each side of the helmet itself. Place the long Velcro on the left side of the inside of the helmet. Install the installed Bluetooth headset on the left side of the helmet. The headset must have a marker to insert the Bluetooth headset, or you will not hear any sound. Microphone attached to the left side of the helmet. Microphone placed on the position of the mouth. Then stick the shorter part of the headset cable on the left side of the inside of the helmet. Place the extra wire on the inside back of the helmet. The other end of the speaker is attached to the right side of the helmet. Organize the extra threads again. Then install the rest back to the original position.